Oh, hello, y'all. Dominoes back again on Facebook Live. Haven't done a YouTube Live yet. Okay, so I mean, I'm still smiling for the day though. Have fun. Haven't seen my friend in a year and stuff like that, and she was happy to see me. You know, I was so glad to meet her brother, her family, everybody over there. Okay. Still talking about that family reunion. You know. Honestly, y'all, I've never had a welcome like that. I really didn't. Okay, I mean, I feel blessed to go see those wonderful people. They remind me of my family. The herds. Yeah, I love my family though. I do. Yep. Uh huh. So I'm just doing my thing, charging up this phone and stuff like that. Yeah. So, you know what, y'all? Let me tell y'all something. Uh, One time, Erica told her coworker, I'm in love with her and stuff. Uh, well, at least that coworker wasn't messy, you know. At least that coworker wasn't messy. And and then what else? All right, so then she probably told her parents a whole lot about me. Cause if a woman tell a man, tell her parents about this guy, that means she really liked the guy. So that's me. I never had that, you know. So the last female that told her parents about me. Oh, I gotta take this call. I'll talk.